So this is the second set of tests that kind of repeat the first set of tests for the non-working uperfect monitor. It was suggested that I try different USB cables for power and so forth, because I guess the two that I had in the beginning were not good enough. You'll see here, this is the original charger that was shipped with the uperfect device. This is another USB-C charger that comes with the Steam Deck. It puts out 3 amps max, and this is a power bank that can put out up to 12 amps maximum. So if we test this one first and we try it in my phone, we see it clearly will work. Plug it in here. I plug it in and charging rapidly. So it is detected and you can see it does charge. So this power adapter and this cable is working, and I will plug it into the monitor in the power port. And it is plugged in. We can verify that it's in the correct port. There is no on-screen display. I attempt to push the button on the side here to navigate the on-screen display. Nothing. It remains black and does not come up. So, and if we want to plug in a monitor, this is the USB-C cable that is plugged into my laptop. You can see there is only the built-in display. But if I plug this into the USB-C port for the display port, I plug it in. We verify that we have both in the power and this. I still see a completely black screen. Nothing will come on, nothing actuates. The funny thing is, though, it does register the DisplayPort device, and so the monitor does come up. And even with it black, you'll see that I can actually navigate the touch screen. I'm not touching the mouse. That's not the mouse. That is me using the touch screen and actually actuating it. So it is the display itself that is not lighting up. There is no backlight. And so if we want to do an additional test, we can unplug the USB-C, and we see we're back to a single monitor. We can plug in the mini HDMI, which is connected to my Mac, and we will plug this in. Hold on. And we have it successfully plugged in and seated. And again, we get the same behavior. We see it has registered the HDMI monitor, but there is no display. And of course, the touch doesn't work because I don't have the USB connected. If we remove this power, so we want to take this power away, and we'll get rid of it because maybe that's the problem. And we will try one of these from my power bank, and just to verify that it does work, we'll see. I will plug it into my Mac because this power bank is powerful enough to charge the Mac. I unplug the Mac power, and we see it's on battery power now. Battery power, and then I will plug this guy in from the power bank. And we will see the Mac is now on power adapter. And we can look at the power bank, and we can see the Mac is drawing, it's upside down, but it's drawing 2.7 amps. So this power bank should be more than powerful enough to activate the display even when the internal battery is completely dead. So we will take the same cable and we will plug it in. And we will verify it is plugged in to the power port onto the display, and again, nothing at all. And we still have the HDMI connected. We can see the HDMI is detected, but of course, no display, nothing at all. The monitor never wakes up. Using the side button to get the on-screen display, nothing happens at all. And we can switch from this back to the USB-C display port. Exactly the same, completely black, nothing comes up. The laptop registers the display port, but black, totally black here. And if we want to try different connection, different cable, I will try the second one from my power bank. Same thing, USB-C into the power adapter, into the power port, and again, completely black. And as I did demonstrate in the previous video, we can see the panel is drawing amperage, so it's drawing 2.6 amps right now, charging the internal battery, but totally black. And we can try the final one. We will try the Steam Deck USB-C charger, which again does work. I can plug it into my phone, and we will see charging rapidly, so it does support the high amp output. And plug it into the monitor. There we go. Take a look, it is in the right port. And again, nothing at all. So it doesn't matter whether video is connected USB-C or HDMI. We've tried 4 different power connectors and different cables here, and the panel remains completely dead, as if the backlight does not actuate or something. I don't know internally what's wrong, but it never lights up and it never brings up a display even though it is recognized.